Hey loves, I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a head wrap tutorial. So here I am showing you the scarves that I like to use. These are pashmina scarves. You can find them at Ross, Marshalls, Amazon. I will definitely go ahead and link some in the description box below. So I'm going to be starting off with a top knot bun. Sometimes I also have braids underneath my head wraps. It just depends on the day. So taking the scarf, I'm just going to put it over my head. And then taking each end of the scarf, I'm just going to twist them together. And the first two twists are going to be pretty tight just to secure my head wrap and just to make sure that it stays all day. And then after those first two tight twists, I'm going to twist all the way to the bottom of the scarf. And once you have that, you can go ahead and wrap it around the bun. So the bun kind of serves as a base. And then once you come around, you can start tucking it underneath. And then I also go ahead and tuck the tassels in as well. And then from here, you just kind of play around with it just to get it how you want it to be. And here's a quick recap of what I just did. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.